Fine, everybody, please let me know that. Please let me know that my screen is visible, right? My voice is audible or not? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we move now? Okay. So let's see that, right? Let's see that. Okay. So now, okay, fine. So what we will do now? At the rate property is there, right? At the rate property. So what we will do now? We will return this object. But 1 minute, 1 minute. Just okay now. So now value is we will make this value as what, true only, right? This value we will make what, true. True, okay na. So just let's concentrate on about what little bit what osi model. So for that, what is the start, what is that, start t start, what is that, start ttls, right? Tls means transfer transfer protocol layer transfer. 1 minute, I will say. So let's open this one, okay na. So transfer protocol, okay. So 1 minute, what is that, osi model. I will give good subject to you people, don't worry, okay. So open this osi model, right? I'm opening this osi model and we will see that, right? We will see that each and everything, okay. Now I'm opening this one, okay. 7 layer is there or not? So in the transport, right, transport layer, it will work on what means what, come here. Yes, transport layer, right? To make that as what, secure, right? To make the transport layer as a secure, our what, smtp, simple mail transfer protocol, using what, transport layer only, right? So to make this one, okay na. So to make means ttl, right? Transport layer secure, right? Transport layer secure. TLS means transport layer secure, okay na. So our, and this one is what, smtp, simple mail transfer protocol, okay. So this one is what, simple mail transfer protocol, okay. Give me 1 minute, friends. So I need to actually, in my room, the light is not just I'm after switching on that light, then I will come back, because the here near about 6 9 na, in evening time is there, okay. So wait 1 minute. Okay, fine. So now, okay, now simple mail transfer protocol. It will work in vast transport layer, right? Transport layer network. In which layer it will work? In the transport layer. Fine. So now, okay, let's complete it. Application. Let's complete the application, and we will see as what as a practical. Okay. So please unmute yourself if anybody. Jagdish. Jagdish Prakash Rao, please mute yourself. Yaar. I already became too much tired, right? I'm speaking near about what, two to six minutes, 4 5 years is completed now. Okay, so please cooperate it. Okay, na. Otherwise, after then, okay, no problem. I will not become angry. Just cooperate, friends. Okay. So now, okay, so come here. Okay, na. So now what we will do now? So we will return that, right? We will return that one, this property, right? And this same property we will use here. Where we will use it? Inside this one only, okay. That's it, nothing more than else. Okay now. So our all, whatever our predefined spring framework is given, the things, those things we configure, right? But we have need to write the logic also, right? We have need to write, perform the logics also, right? So for that, let's develop one service class and we will use it, okay. Now we will use these things, okay. So now, again someone is unmuted. Okay, now fine.
Sir, in line number, you are not written enable starter TLS dot enable.
Where? Yes. Correct. Correct. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
ENABLE. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Yeah. Actually, now my mind is a little bit going to down now. Okay, for five are onwards continuously. I'm speaking, right. So okay, no problem. Okay, so now let's complete it, the application, and we will see that, right. We will see that, but the most important when we are going to write what logic, right? That logic is more important than anything else. Okay, so now, okay, so now let's take one more package. What is that? New. Okay, now new. Inside that, what we will do now, just I'm taking what? Service class only. Yes, service. Service. Now what is that? Just I'm taking what I decide, what we decided to take the package name service only, but that name, class name, Ravi mail service, right? Ravi mail service I decided. Okay, na? So now ravi mail Ravi mail service. Now finish it. Okay, so now this class is created now. Okay, na? So but if we want to make this, I don't want to configure this bean, because in the Spring everything is a bean only, right? So which annotation we will use? At the rate service, right? At the rate service annotation we will use it, right? So if we use this at the rate service, our IOC container will create by default object, right? By seeing this one only, our IOC container will create the object. But in the application, right, in the app configuration, which annotation we have needed to apply? Because this is the what? Stereotype annotation, right? So if we use the stereotype annotation at the rate component, right? Component is scan annotation we have used, right? So we have need to use what? At the rate component. So com dot just rk I'm passing here, right? Okay, fine. So now the things is going good. Okay, so now again, so I said that, right? Come here, right? So if we want to perform the service, we have need to take this one, right? But this class also, right? So here interface is there, right? Interface is there. This interface we will, by using this interface we will perform our this MIME type operation or not? This MIME type operation we will perform using this interface only, right? So this interface, so then what we will do now? Come. Okay, so now private, just private, come in the UML diagram also. What is that? Sender, Java mail sender, I used private attribute. So because of that minus symbol I taken, right? So private, what is that? Java mail sender, right? Java mail sender, right? I'm taking the Spring framework, Spring, just sender, fine. Okay, so now the things is going good. Okay, so but this is the object type. So if we want to inject the object, which annotation we will use? Auto wire. Okay, so auto wire, fine. So the things is completed now. So after then in the method, what things we decided? The method, right? We decided to take the method only, right? So if we want to use this method, what we will do now? Okay, so now, so we will write one method, right? We will write one method, right? So which kind of method? Which kind of method? Method should be public. Method name is a send and the return type is a boolean. Okay, so let's write it. What is that? Public. What is that? Public. After the next, what we will do now? Send, right? Public, the boolean. Return type is what? Boolean, right? Return type is what? Boolean. Okay, now send it. Okay, now send it. Okay, now after sending that, okay, so return type, just I'm taking what? Return equal to flag, right? Flag, just I'm returning the flag only. I will write the logic because of that. Okay, na? So flag, just I'm taking inside also boolean what? Yeah, flag equal to, by default I'm making what? False only. False. After then I will write, this is the method, right? This is the method. Okay, so now the things is going good. But what, how many argument we decided? But how many argument is we decided? 1 2 argument. So 2 argument. Now come to our Gmail email, right? Come to our email. Okay, so I will give the analysis to you people. Okay, now to which kind of string only, right? This is the string. 2 is the string only. Think, see, this is the string data is taking to the, means if we are writing the Gmail, that is the string only, right? So now, so which kind of argument this one? Which kind of the argument? String only, right? String 2. We will take string 2. Okay, now come again in the UML diagram, right? Subject, right? Subject is what? Come to gmail.com. Subject also string only, right? Subject also string. Okay, then what is that? String, what is that? Subject, subject. Okay, fine. So now next what we will do now? Come to again Gmail, right? No, first we will see the UML. subject and a text area. Text area also, right? Come to here. Text in the text area also we are writing a string only, right? So same thing, come to our application, right? Now what we will take, string data type only or not? String data type, what is that? What it will be? What it will be? Text, text, right? Text. Okay, now this field also completed. Okay, this field also completed. Now second field, what we will do now? Okay, so second field, what we will do now? CCC and BCC means in the CCC BCC we can take multiple also. Come to here, right? Whenever means multiple email ID we are taking, right? Multiple email ID in the CCC BCC we can send multiple people or not? Multiple email ID we can take, right? So if we take the multiple email ID, so which kind of email ID will become? Array type, right? So for that, which kind of data type we will take? String array, right? String array. My system is becoming too much slow. String array is array. What is that? CCC. Okay, na? And one more is there, right? One more is there. Come to you here. BCC also there. In the BCC also we can put multiple email ID or not. So the ID is the what? String type, na? Okay. So again, what is that? String what is that? BCCC, but this one also what? Array type only, array type. Okay, na? See how I'm giving the analysis to you people. Okay, so now, okay, come here, right? So one more thing is there, one more thing. Come to in the UML diagram. What is that? File attachment also. I need file attachment also, right? So file attachment, for the file attachment purpose, just Spring is given what? Spring is given one resources, right? Resource class, right? In resource interface. So I will use that one, resource, predefined resource, RESO. Hey, what is this? Comma, resource, right? Resource. Spring framework is given resource, right? Resource file. Just I'm taking what? File. Okay, na? File. I will send end user will attach the file also. For that we decided what? Argument. This is what? Our argument of the method, right? Our argument of the method. By seeing this UML diagram, we got the point or not? Okay, so now for that, so okay, so now let's perform the operation to send our email, right? Let's perform the operation to send our email. Okay, so to sending the email, what we will do now? Come here. Okay, come inside the application. Okay, na? So we will take in the sender, right? In the sender, one method is there, create MIME type, right? Whenever we will call the create the MIME type, right? This things will our spring framework will create what? This think about this dialog box will generating, right? Internally, just analyze it. Okay, na? So now fine, come to here. Okay, come here. Okay, na? So in where these things we have need inside this method only, right? Inside, then we will take the reference of this method, this attribute, right? Java mail sender. Okay, na? Java mail sender dot the create MIME type. After creating the MIME type, see the return type is what? MIME type only. If you want to see this declaration, okay, I'm opening this. See, the method is there. This method will take what? Will create the message MIME type. Okay, na? And its return type is what? MIME type message. Okay, so copy this class only and paste it here and hold here only, right? Hold it. Okay, so hold it, right? Hold and message, MESSAGE, MESSAGE message. Okay, just I've given the name of message, Control Shift O to import that class. Okay, okay, so now we created MIME type, means this dialog box we created. Now just we think about this dialog box we created now. Okay, so after creating that, I said that, right? I said that to work on what we need what? One helper class or not? Come here. So that helper class name is what? MIME messenger helper class, right? So MIME messenger helper class is there. Okay, so we will create that object inside that, right? And we will see that. Okay, so what is that? MIME messenger, right? MIME messenger helper class, uh, m helper, just helper, helper equal to what is that, new mime, what new mime, okay na, control z, 1 minute, new mime. We will take the two argumented, this is the overloaded constructor, right? So in the first one, what we will do now, we will pass this message, right? Message here we will pass. After then one more things, okay na. So here these two property will take true, true or false, false. And I will tell in which situation we will take. If we are taking that file attachment tru, right? If we are taking the file attachment, then it will, this one will be what, true. This one will be what, true. Control shift O. Why this is the giving the error? Okay, no problem, we will see that. Why this is the argument helper message, 1 minute. Wrong import statement I given a 1 minute. Okay, see this is the what I actually unhandled means exception, 1 minute, I'm deleting here. Actually this is the throwing what checked exception, we are not handling it, okay na, we are not handling it. Yes, very good, very good. Okay na. So now what is that, try, what is that, catch, we will catch that, catch the exception, right? So this one will throw what, checked exception, right? So we have, if we know that we have need to handle that checked exception, right? So just what I'm doing, that e dot print is track here only, right? Okay, so now fine, the things is fine only. Okay, so what we will do now, again we will take that helper class. Okay, we will take that helper class. What is that, mime helper, just helper equal to what is that, new mime helper, right? So for that, what is that, this is the overloaded argument, right? I don't want this argument, I want a second one. Okay, my system is hanging like anything. Wait friend, actually, okay, two argumented of. Okay, so now in the first one, what we will pass this message, my message, okay na. But here what is that, come here, okay na, what is this, come here, this is this one will take what, true or false, right? False, right? These two, false, right? These two things. But in which situation, means whenever, if we take what, if file is there, then if file is there, right? If we are sending the file, if end user uploading the file, if this things is false, then file will not upload, right? File will not upload. So when file will upload, tru, if this argument is true, then file will upload, right? But it's not meaning that end user, whenever we are sending the mail, every time we are not using, right? We are not using what, attachment. Every time we are not using attachment, right? So if every time this one, if every time this is the truth, then unnecessary memory wastage is there or not? Think about that, like that, based on the memory also think about that. If end user, right, if end user is not using, using what, file attachment, at the time what, at the time memory wastage is there or not? Or if we make what, false, if we make is what, false, false, then if end user need what, if end user need to update what, file attachment, at the time end user unable to upload file or not, if this argument is false. So for that, what we will do now, just we will write the logic, some logic. What kind of logic we will write it? What is, if file, right, if file not equal to null, right? If file not equal to null, if file is there, then if file is there, then question mark, what, true. If file is there, then it will become true, right? if again what, else what, file not there, then we'll make the false, right? Yeah, we are writing the logic based on that. Means what, if file is there, right, then true, means memory will not waste. If file is not there, right, if file is not there, then what will be false. False, then memory wastage is, we are reducing the memory wastage or not, even our application will become what, scalable or not, our application performance will increase, right? So like that we are analyzing the things in the real things, okay, in a real time. This much analysis we have need, this much analysis we have need to do, okay now. So let's, okay now, so let's move on, and let's develop it, let's develop the application, right? Let's perform the application, okay now. So okay, so to at the time of sending, right, at the time of sending, whatever mandatory things is there, we will take it, right? Like helper, just helper, helper, right? Helper dot what set, right? Helper dot what set to, right? I said that, come here, already I explained those things, okay, in the user helper class. I said that we will take the user helper class, this predefined method we will use it, right? We can write ourselves only, but if we write na, then see, just I'm going to declaration of this method. We can write like this method, right? See, set to after, then this is the overloaded method, okay now. So many ccc is there, but we have need to write this logic, but I don't want to write this logic, I want to implement based on myself only, right? So I, if we, if spring is given the one what helper class, what is the need to write that those much logic? So for that, what we will do now, two, right? Two we will pass here only, right? We will pass here only, okay. So now another one is what, helper dot what is that, set what is that, subject, right? Inside that, what is that, subject, we will take this method argument and we will pass it, okay now. After passing that, another one more is there, what is that, text. This field is mandatory, and except that file ccc bcc, all the not mandatory. Because of that, I will tell what we have read to avoid exception, I will write the logic only, right? Helper dot what set text, right? Set text, inside that text we will pass this argument, right? This argument we will pass it, okay. At the runtime the data will come, okay. So now fine, okay, now fine, okay now. So now again, but see, every time we are not attaching the ccc and bcc and a file also, every time we are not writing, we can write like this, we can write like again, helper dot right, helper dot what, set what, bcc, right? Bcc ccc also, ccc also we can write it, right? We can write it, okay. Let's write first, right? I will write it, I will write, okay na. Helper dot what, set ccc, okay na. Ccc, I'm passing that ccc, right? I'm passing here the ccc only, okay, fine, I passed it, okay. After then one more, helper dot what, c, set what, bcc is there, right? Bcc is there, inside that bccc I'm passing, okay. Okay, now this much things is completed, okay now. One more resource is there, right? One more resource, then helper, for that, what is that, helper dot what, helper dot what, add attachment is there, right? Add, helper dot what, add attachment, right? Add attachment is there. Inside that, what we will do now, file, we will pass this file, resource file, okay na. This file we will pass it. After then what we, this file dot get, we will take get file name, get file name. After getting the file name, we will pass what, file, okay. The thing is completed. Now after doing this things, if these things is successful, right? If these things is successful, then what is the sender dot what, sender dot send message. We will, what we will do now, we will call what, send, yes, send method, right? And inside that, what we will do now, inside that, what we will do now, this message we will pass, right? This message we will pass, means everything is fine, everything is fine, then message will send, right? Then message will send. If not fine, then what is that, What is that? Means if everything is fine, then what we will do now? We taken what here, what this boolean is came here, right? This here not required, this one required here. I don't know why. Here, okay. Okay, so now then if everything is, then flag equal to, right, flag equal to what? True. We will make what? True. Okay na? Okay, fine. So we will make this flag as true. It means everything is fine, then flag will become true, then message sending is the successful. If anything is going to wrong, right, then exception will come. Means then the flag is by default what? False only, right? Means then we will get the message what? Then we will get the message what? A message is not sent. Okay na? Message is not sent. Okay, fine. So now next level, what? Next level discussion, let's see that. Okay na? Next level discussion, we will see that. Okay na? Okay, let's see that. Okay, so but see, text to subject and text, these things is mandatory, but this is the optional. If the person is not using, right, not using, we will get the what? Null pointer exception or not. So for to avoiding null pointer exception, we are checking the condition if, right, if ccc not, right, ccc not equal to null, and what and ccc dot length, right, length method, length, right, length greater than, right, 0, then this method will execute, right? Otherwise don't execute. Means it's not meaning that every time end user will take what? End user will take what? This ccc. Okay na? If the end user will take the ccc, then this method will execute. Otherwise no need. Because of that I taken this condition. Okay na? Same like here also, same like here also, for this one also, helper also, bcc also, every time end user not taking, right? For that, if again BCCC, BCCC not equal to, right, not equal to null, right, not equal to null, and what? Length. Eh, sorry, BCCC dot length, right, dot length, now 0. Okay, so okay, again file also, every time end user is not attaching the file, right, every time end user will not take, but then again we will get the exception or not, then again we will check null pointer exception, right? So now what is that? What is that? File not equal to null, just file not equal to null, right? So file not equal to null means this is the this logic we will write, then our application will work what? Successfully, then our application will work what? Successfully. So all logics we completed, shall we test it, this application, and we see that, we see that, right, we see that our application is working as a proper manner or not. So for that, what we will do now, we will write one test class. Okay, we will write one test class. So shall we write it now? So com.rk dot what? Test. Okay, test class. Okay now I'm testing it, test, test, just test. Okay na? So now take public static void main. Okay, so now what we will do now, first, to activate IOC container, application context, right, application context annotation is there, right? Interface is there, application, now AC equal to what? New annotation config of, now this one. Okay, it's implementation class. Okay, so now fine, what we will do now, we will pass app config, right, we will pass app configuration. Okay, so what is that? App config, right, app config dot class. Okay, so now fine, so come here now, AC dot what? Get bean, right, get bean, inside that what we will do now? Come to service class, right, come to service class. I applied at the rate service. First letter will become what? Small, right? If we not take our own name, so we will make what? R, small letter. Okay, R, small letter. After then what? To avoid typecasting, what we will do now? So now Ravi mail, right? Ravi mail service dot class. Okay, so fine. It will return the same class object, right? Same class object. Ravi dot what? Mail. Just I'm taking what? Mail. Okay, so now mail. Okay, so now thing is completed. So let's call this method, right? Let's call this method. Let's call this method, right? Send method. Okay, so how we will call? We will call the mail dot what? Mail dot what? Send method is there na? Okay, I take in that method. Okay na? After taking that method, this method will return what? Boolean, right? So Boolean. Okay, Boolean what? Flag? Just I'm taking flag. Okay na? Flag only. So after then I'm checking the condition also. If flag equal to true, if the flag equal to true, right? Flag equal to true, then what is that? System MESSAG message sent. Okay na? Done. Else, if anything is goes wrong, right? Else what is that? Sys out. Send, right? Message not send. Okay, so now, okay, so for that, so now, okay, let's do the things. Okay now, please give me anybody or own email id. I will send on that email id only, right? Please use the chat box and give your email id. Okay, I'm using your email id, right? I will use CCC, BCC file, all those things I will show to you people. Okay na? So now in this time, what I'm doing that just this, I want to send, right? I will send, the mail, right? I will send the Suraj, right? Suraj. Okay, so okay, this is the email ID, na? Yes. Okay. Subject I'm writing, right? Subject means come to email id, right? See, the things is what? Compose. Okay na? Two I wrote the mail, right? I taken in the two, we are giving what? Email id, right? So I given the email id. Okay, so subject I'm writing welcome, right? Welcome to RK. Okay, so text, just I'm writing what? Just text I'm writing what? Hi Suraj, right? Hi Suraj. Okay, so I'm writing the hi Suraj. But CCC, BCC, I don't want it in this time, right? Just I'm taking what? Null. So still I don't want to send CCC, BCC. I will use it. Okay, na? Null. Okay, file also still I don't want to send it, right? So just still this one also I'm taking what? Null only, right? These three properties, just I want to use this much only, right? So I want this property and this one only, and just I want to send it. Okay na? So let's run this application, and Suraj, check your email ID, right? You will get the email. Okay na? You will get the email. Now my application will send. Message sent, done. Okay na? Check it and let me know that you got the mail or not. Pawan, welcome. Subject you will get welcome to RK, and hi Suraj in the text you will get it. Please let me know that you got the mail or not. Check it, check it. In the group, Arey man, send here, tell here only, right? Unmute yourself and tell. I use, yes, got it, na? I want the answer. What is the use in the group?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, okay. So like,
Yes, I got it.
okay. So okay, now. So now, okay. So just I want the same message, right? To Pawan also, yeah, Suraj also, but give some another people also, right? I want to add in the CCC also, right? Two email ID, please tell another people also. See, I will add those email ID in the CCC. Give me. Okay, Amit. Okay, na Amit. I will add Amit. Amit and Padma. Okay, Padma. Okay, na? These two email ID I will use it. Okay, na? So, okay. So now string, just I'm taking what a new string array, right? String, string array inside this one. Okay, na? This one is the this email ID for the Amit, right? And one more Padma, right? And one more Padma chat box. Okay, Padma. I'm copying it. Okay, na? I'm copying it. Now paste it. Okay, now I'm pasting it. Okay, na? Now I'm pasting it. Another person, right? I will add the BCC also. I will add those people as a BCC also, right? So please send me the two more email ID. Please give me two more people. Please give the email ID. You will get the message. Okay. Use the chat box, yaar. Why you are taking the time? People are listening or just sleeping that I don't know. Please use the chat box and give me the email ID. You people don't want the mail? Okay, no problem. People are not giving, right? So, okay, someone is giving. Okay, now fine. Vasu, okay, Vasu, you will get the BCC message, right? BCC message. You will get because you will not able to see others, right? You will not see the because I'm sending others also, but you can't able to see others. Just you will get the mail. Just you will get the mail as what personal like. Okay. Okay, so now, okay, I'm using one more string, right? BCC for the new. What is that? String array, right? String array. Inside that, what I'm doing that, just first paste here, right? Paste here, then copy here, from here, and copy this.
Sir, in place of two, write at the rate, sir.
Hmm?
In place of two, write at the rate. Shravan Kumar 95 at the rate. That one.
Okay, okay,
Not two.
okay, fine, right?
Okay.
Another one more, another is there, right? Another is there. Another one is what? One more email ID I got, right? Email ID is I got Pujita, right? Okay, Pujita. So copy it, right? I'm copying this one, and so first I'm pasting here. Okay. So now